Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Torrid credit card. Now, I have made a video about this previously because someone wanted me to see if I can get the shopping cart trick to work for this card. I have heard somebody was able to actually get it to work. I have not verified it. I could not personally get it to work, but I decided to make a video because if you really want to just get the credit card, just apply for it. Like, the shopping cart trick is for those people that's credit just shot. Like, your credit's just very bad. If your credit is not so bad, then try to apply for it. And if it is bad, look into joining my 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. Let's get your credit score up so that you can get approved for the credit card. Okay, so let's just go in and let's look at the account. Let's look at the website. After we look at the website, let's look at the credit card, see what the features have that they have there. Try to see if you can get the shopping cart trick to work. If you can't, just apply for the credit card. If you get denied for the credit card, increase your credit score. Go ahead and join my membership down below. It's $1 trial, or go ahead and watch the 60 points in 60 days because it's going to show you exactly how you guys will be able to get approved. So, how to get approved for credit cards and how to increase your credit score. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the website. So here is the website for the Torrid account. Now, this is the thing. This account right here, you can try to put, between $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart and try to check out as a guest, but it's not going to be a guarantee that the shopping cart trick, like I said, is going to work, but still try it. And let's try that first, and then we go into just the credit card for those people that can't get it to work at all, because the shopping cart trick is where you can get credit cards without that hard inquiry. And also, too, if you don't have the best of credit, you can get approved. So let's go to dresses. Let's look at casual dresses. You want to put between $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. And like, what I would do is I would go ahead and pick something like this at $79.50. I would go ahead and do a quick view with this one. If you get this pop-up, that's what you want to. Make sure you guys have the pop-up on your computer. But I would do a quick view with this dress here. And I would add 3 of them to the cart. Let's pick a size. Add it to the bag. Okay, so look, you want to be between $200 and $250. So we had $238. You would go ahead and click checkout. Again, go ahead and click checkout. You would do the guest checkout. And you'll go ahead and put your information here. Now, you know what? While I'm here, let me actually double check. Let me try to see if I can get it to work really quickly. See if I can get the shopping cart trick to work. If you're not interested in shopping cart trick, go ahead and fast forward it for a little bit. But let me just try again because I haven't tried in a little bit. Let me try to see if I can get it to work. Now, this is with Community Bank, you guys. So if you guys are just going to apply for the credit card, try to have the best credit score that you can have on your Equifax credit report. It's going to increase your chances of actually getting approved. Okay, almost done, you guys. All right, just put that address in, and then we in there, y'all. We'll be able to see. It was like kind of a delay to put that card information in, but I did not get that pop-up still. But like I said, too, somebody said they were able to actually get the pop-up. So please double check to see if you are going to be able to get that pop-up. But one thing is, let's still look at the credit card to try to see if you guys can go ahead and get approved for it. So let's go ahead and look. So here is the part where they talk about the actual credit card. So you guys are going to be able to get 40% off your first purchase when you open your account. And then you have to make sure that you use it immediately when you open your account online. So as soon as you open your account, you can actually use it like right away. You guys are going to get an extra 5% off of every purchase when you use your credit card. That's really amazing. Think about it as like 5% cash back, because you guys are going to get that 5% discount right away. You guys are going to get $15 off of your purchase of $50 or more. It's like your welcome offer when you guys apply for this credit card and get approved. Understand, like I said too, this is going to be this account right here is going to pull your Equifax credit report. So make sure you have the best Equifax credit score you can have. I would suggest try to have at least a 620 credit score. Sometimes they probably want to pull experience. Just watch out. That's just how Community Bank is. They may pull Equifax and they may pull Experian. And when you guys apply for this credit card, it's going to be a hard inquiry right away. This is not a pre-qualification where you guys will be able to pre-qualify for this credit card without a hard inquiry. I was hoping that I'll be able to get a shopping cart trick to work right away on this credit card, but you know, it is what it is. At least I tried. I figured while I was doing the video, I should just try to see if I can get that pop-up to work. But no, I did not get that pop-up to work. But definitely still try on your end to see if you can get the pop-up to work with the Torrid credit card. And then also, if you can get it to work, like I said, increase your credit score. Join me for the 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. I do some of the work for you to help you increase your credit score, and you have to do some work too that I just can't do. Like, hey, you need to get another credit card. You don't have enough credit cards. Apply for this credit card, apply for that credit card. Just do the work that you guys need to do, and you guys just see a great increase in your credit score. And not only do I have that where I can do it with you, but those people that can't afford to be in my membership, make sure you guys, if you can't afford to be in a membership, click the 60 points in 60 days down below. Fill out that form. Once you fill out that form, then you guys will be able to have the full video. I record an hour-long video. I also, as soon as you fill out that form, you get a free dispute letter to help you guys remove that account, whatever negative accounts is inaccurate on your credit report. I'll show you guys how to do it in the video too. You guys will be able to remove those negative accounts, remove inquiries. Also, you guys will get another letter for collection companies. I just want to make sure that in our community, we just don't have information, and we just don't, like, the basic thing can really change your life. We talking 60 points. Your credit score can go higher than that. I just want to make sure that in our community, we have the resources just to do things that's like this basic, having help with things like this. So that's why I made that available for you guys for free. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop your questions down below. I'm definitely here for you guys, but hopefully you guys get approved for this credit card. And if you're able to get the shopping cart trick to work, let me know, okay? Please let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.